My life is to be given up for the American people. So he called his secretary and others. I decided to retire from the chairmanship and directorship of this company from next birthday, and you people take over the child. He said, what will you do? He said, I got two plans. I got money. Whoever wants to start a factory about iron and steel, he had 7 factories like Tata Iron and Steel Company. Our Tata Iron and Steel Company is the best in India. He had 7 such factories in America. He said, now no further development. But whoever wants to start business in iron and steel and does not have money, but good experience or skill or knowledge, I'll help him with my money. And those who have got the money and do not have any skill or any knowledge about iron and steel factories, I will help him that way. So advertise in the paper, whoever wants money for starting iron and steel factory, Carnegie is available. Whoever has got money but no experience and no background, Carnegie is available. And when you get such a person as your partner, what do you want? As a guide. If Birla or Tata want to become your partner, you'll be ready to hand over the whole wealth to him. So this is my wealth, develop it further and further. And he said that my will should be prepared. I may live for many more years, but my last wish should be over now. I have no further desires. And the secretary prepared the will. He had only one son. The whole property to go $73 million to go to the son. He read the will, tore it out. He said, sir, it is on the stamp paper, buy another one. Who told you to prepare a will like this? He said, sir, you have only one son. Nothing goes to him. My father did not give me anything. I come up on my own. My mother used to teach shoes. My father was no more at the age of 7. And I started working at the age of 9. He also must work. But anyway, provide $1 lakh for him. Out of $73 million, $1 lakh only for his son. He said, sir, with $1 lakh, he will have only 4 cups of coffee per day, one in the morning, one in the evening, at the time of lunch and dinner, with bread. No butter. He said, if he wants to eat butter, he must work. And he can digest butter only if he works. Otherwise, butter will be harmful to him and burdensome to him. So I am not going to provide butter for him. My father did not provide for coffee and bread. I am providing. And that is enough. And the last word he says, which is very important for you, he said, at my grave, and we have the following words. Here lies a man who did nothing in his life. Here lies a man who did nothing in his life except employing people more intelligent than him. Here lies a man who did nothing in his life except employing people more intelligent than him. And if you want to be more intelligent, if you want to develop very fast, if you want to achieve something in life, you must have friendship of such people who are on the track, at a higher track than you. If you catch the hand of a man who is lower than you, what will happen? He'll take you lower. Gandhiji always used to think about Viceroy and Minister and this and that, all great people. He always used to write the letters to so many great people. He never knew many people. Tolstoy he never met. Still he wrote a letter. And Tolstoy guided him with one sentence. The kingdom of heaven lies in your heart. The kingdom of heaven lies in your heart. Very important sentence. And Gandhiji created kingdom of heaven in his heart by love to everyone. Though he was a man of great discipline, the love which he has given is very important. At the time of independence, riots were there in Calcutta, and very fierce riots were there in Punjab. Bengal was full of riots, Hindu-Muslim riots. That time he selected he will go to Bengal. And Gandhiji went to Bengal. And the government, British government, that time, Governor General was Britisher. But in Jawaharlal Nehru, though he was Prime Minister, British governor was there. He arranged for military in Punjab. He writes in his diary, what could not be achieved even after 2 months by a military of 55,000 people. What could not be achieved by the military of 55,000 people in 2 months could be achieved by Mahatma Gandhi in 2 weeks in Bengal. It was one-man army. And what was their one-man army? Love. I told you earlier, if you work for the benefit of others, think about the benefit of others, you will achieve many things. And love and compassion is the main thing for your development. Don't think of developing yourself alone. Develop in a group. All around you should also get the benefit. Not only your family members, your neighbors, everyone. Everyone should feel that we have got a neighbor who is really a very fine person. You are family, you should be respected by all. That we have got a member in the family whom we can go and consult for our problems, and no problems will be there. So wherever you are, you have to be one with love and compassion. And when love and compassion develop, not only you will love everybody, but everybody will love you also. Train your mind as a whole, not piecemeal. Many people say, I will do this first, then I will do this, then I will do this, I will do that. Or I will achieve this first, then I will go for this. In school, how do they teach you? Do they teach you one language at a time? They want multiple development of yours. Why the education is planned that way? They want you to learn English, they want you to learn Hindi, they want you to learn Marathi, or your own language, Gujarati, or any other language which you are having. Plus they want you to learn geography, history, mathematics, science, physics, chemistry, 10 subjects at a time. Same way you should also develop multi-purpose. Find out how you should do it. And multi-purpose development will lead you to the faster development in life. Ladies, when they cook, what do they do? On one side they put the rice and dal, etc. in the cooker, and the vegetables for another side. They start preparing the chapati. 2-3 things go on at a time. Plus they attend to telephone also. They attend to the doorbell also. And still they remember how much salt is put in the vegetable, how much chili is put here, and how many whistles the cooker has given. They all remember everything. Why? Multi-purpose development. Many people say one thing at a time. Okay, no doubt. One thing, where you are serious and where you have to pay very serious attention, one thing at a time. But otherwise, multiple development, because life is too short. Even if you get 100 years, very short. Buddha took more than 30 births to develop himself as a Buddha. Mahavir also had to undergo training for more than 24 births. That is what Jains say. And maybe with everybody else. Who knows? But when you decide to develop today, your development begins. And you may achieve it in, say, 5 births or 10 births or 20 births or 30 births, nobody knows. But achievement is to be there, and you must achieve. And what is the purpose of your life? Ultimately, what is the purpose of everyone's life, every one of you? Now we will be coming to the end of the program, first part. Next time I want to